A team of firefighters has conducted fire safety education at a temporary hospital in the Shanghai New International Expo Center for the personnel in the venue to improve their fire prevention awareness and response ability.
We aim to improve the overall fire safety by dispatching the working groups to every makeshift hospitals. Members of these working groups are experienced in fire rescue and fire prevention. Every day here, we carry out inspections of the potential hazards to make sure all the fire prevention facilities working properly. Besides, we've taught the medical workers and the working personnel here how to use the fire extinguishers, how to organize emergency evacuation, and we held fire drills several times here. We also tried to raise the fire safety awareness of patients inside by broadcasting fire safety tips in Mandarin, English, and the Shanghai dialect.
Besides, more firefighters have been dispatched to many other makeshift hospitals in Shanghai to carry out fire safety publicity, disinfection and other works.